Today we're talking about something a lot of Chime users are asking about. Why is MyPay not available on Chime? And more importantly, why aren't payments going through? Let's break it down. So, if you've tried to connect MyPay to your Chime account, or maybe you were expecting to get paid through MyPay and the payment just didn't happen, you're not alone. There's been a lot of confusion about this lately. Here's the deal. As of right now, MyPay isn't supported for payments directly to Chime accounts. You might be wondering, why not? MyPay typically works with traditional banks that have routing numbers tied to major clearinghouses. Chime, on the other hand, operates a little differently. Even though Chime provides routing and account numbers, it's not classified as a traditional bank. It's a financial technology company, and because of that, some government payment systems like MyPay, which is used by the Department of Defense, don't recognize Chime's accounts as eligible for direct deposits. So if you're in the military, a retiree, or a government employee using MyPay, you won't be able to set up your Chime account for direct deposit through them. Payments won't process, and you could be stuck waiting for money that never shows up. Alright, so what are your options? Use a traditional bank account. You can set up a direct deposit to a traditional bank first, like Navy Federal, USAA, or your local credit union, and then transfer the funds to Chime if you prefer using it for spending. Split direct deposits. Some employers and services let you split deposits. Check if you can send part to a traditional bank and part to Chime. Stay updated. Fintech is always evolving, and Chime may eventually work with MyPay. I'll keep you updated on that, so make sure you're subscribed. I hope that clears things up. If you've had any issues with MyPay and Chime, drop your experience in the comments. Let's help each other out. Call to action. Give this video a like if it helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Chime, banking, and all things personal finance.